Good afternoon. Another day, another hotel room tour. So tonight I am staying at the Ibis Hotel in Glasgow city centre. This hotel is on West Regent Street and I paid £60 for one night without breakfast. So let's get stuck into the room tour. Well, as usual, we start at the front door just with the evacuation information. I am on level 3 in room 315. This is part of, for Ibis, is part of the Acre Hotels. Front door lock, just a normal thumb turn lock. Key to put on your lights and power. And you walk it straight in to the room. Got a mirror, the light above it, single socket below. I'll have a look at this separate area here for the bathroom shortly. Bedside table, just you can move that around. Single socket next to the bed, some lights above there as well. Not sure how you turn that on. Got these cables everywhere. Oh, there we go. Hiding. There we go. TV, a nice feature behind it. Nice TV. Ignore all my bags if we can. Got a little bench here, little bench to sit on, a little cushion on it. You've got this movable charger. To me, I think this is a great idea because, oh, got USB points on it as well. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 plugs, and you can move this around, which is great. I've plugged in my phone charger. Here you've got a little desk, table, a chair. Got a pack here of coffees and milks, sugars, little cups, kettle, another light here, a separate unit just stuck in the corner here to hang your clothes in, so some hangers, little shelf, extra pillows, 2 pillows, there's a heater and hairdryer. And a space in here to put your bags if you wish. The view is what it is. It's currently a construction site across the road, so be mindful if you're travelling close to this video that potentially there will be noise during the week, maybe Saturday mornings for construction. And the bathroom, now the reason I'm leaving that to the end though is because I could show this separate unit, or this area. It's like a little pod on its own, like a mini wet room. Just mind the step here as well as you walk in and out, but you'll see what I mean by like a separate little pod. There's nothing wrong with it, just something different. So, sink, towels on this rail, a bin below. We've got obviously a toilet. Don't see a toilet. We've got toilet rolls, 2 toilet roll holders, glasses, some light up mirror, shaver point. We have face, body and hair. Shower, you push in the way to help if I knew what I was doing. Again, decent size. I'm going to step into the shower just now just to see what this is obviously going to be the same. So yep, face, body and hair gel. It's a standard shower, adjustable for height. Got some bags, hygiene bag, and that's it for the bathroom. There's a overview again of the room. Pretty basic, but what more do you need really? So I'm going to cover some of the prices for drinks and foods, so I'll just do a separate clip just now. So here we have the drinks menu. So you'll notice it says Novotel. These two hotels are linked, so Novotel and the Ibis hotel here are linked. So there's an area where you don't have to go outside. Once you're inside, you can go right through to there. So they gave this information. I believe this is where the breakfast is. So Saturday and Sunday they have £12. I think it's £12 on the morning you pay, £10 if you pre-book it, like the night before. So we do have this heat control or air cooling or heating system. I am currently trying to figure out, so it's a climate control unit, not an air conditioning unit. So I'm trying to figure out, does this control just in here, or does this control the air conditioning up here? Take my finger away so I can focus, there we go. So just now I have put this on and check to keep it at 10. It clicks in, but I have tried this before I was recording. Nothing was coming from here, and I don't know if it's coming in anywhere here. If you know, leave a comment below of your experience, or if you are an expert in these things, let us know. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you will notice I am a fan of gaps underneath beds. Sounds weird, I know. Sometimes it's a useful space to put kind of smaller bags or shopping or something underneath there, out the way, if you don't have much space to play with. So if you're staying here long term, there's not much space in the hall as you come in, if you want to call it a hall, but the entrance as you come in, and then you've got the small area which I showed before as well. But yeah, some useful space to use. So hopefully that helps show what you get at the Ibis Hotel here in Glasgow city centre. Feel free to subscribe to myself, so I am MacBlogs, MACBLOGS. Check the description below, you'll see my social media channels. Mainly I am on YouTube obviously, and Instagram. Twitter I'm not a big fan of, but I'm on there just now. It's a new channel that I've created, a new profile that I've put on. And Facebook I've got Facebook as well, but again I'm not a fan of it because I'm posting something on there and there's not much reach, if you want to call it. So unless you're following me on there, then you won't see my posts, which I feel is a kind of false economy. So I'm posting things on there and no one's really going to see it because I've just really started out. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that video helps in regards to hotel room tours. I do other experiences, vlogs. I don't just do hotel room tours. I put these in whilst I am travelling and where I am staying. So hopefully that has helped. But give me a thumbs up, give me a comment, leaving some information below in the comments of how to work that air conditioning. I don't know if I'll get that to work tonight, but if you have information on that, leave it in the comments below for myself or for others. And yeah, if you stayed here before, any useful information for me and for others staying here or looking to stay here. But anyway, thanks again for watching and I hope to see you all soon.